What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Today, as you guys can see, got parts. There's still more in this box. Get the hell out. Dang it. Alright, guys. So, today's video. Okay. See, that fell out the bag. But yeah, as you guys can see, we got some struts. Hood struts, that is. So you know what that means, right? We are going to be making the Civic. Sorry, trying to open this bag with one hand. You can do it. Convert it to struts. Okay, so that there. And I'm guessing these spacers go there. That goes there, and then you gotta take one of the. Guessing you take one of the hood things out. Does it say which side? Yep, that says left and this says right. So this goes on this side. Guessing it would go up like that, and then you'd adjust it to how I'm assuming you'd want it to be, and then you go from there, and this one would go on the opposite side. Okay, so that's cool. These came in a lot sooner than I thought they would, so let's try to get to it. Let's open the hood up and go from there. All right, so hood is up, and I would assume you're gonna take one of these out. You start with one of these, take that out, and then you'd remove this middle fender one also, and it would go from there to here. So let's get that done. It's just me by myself, so sorry guys. I'll take it off, get back to it, get it on, and then go from there so you guys can see. I'll be back. All right guys, so disclaimer. I don't know if this is how it goes in the right way. I'm just trying it. If it works, it works. We'll figure it out along the way. So right now what I did, I have hood risers on mine. So what I did was I took the top one out, slid this in, and put it back on and tightened it up. So let's see how that works out. I tried closing it with this sticking out because obviously you would think that that would hit, but it cleared it, so let's see. All right, guys, before I go any further, update. So on here, there's a little clip. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on. See if we can clear it up for you guys. There's a small clip. That's good. I'll show you on the other one. On here, so you guys can see, there's a small clip. Literally, come on, right there. I don't know if you can see it very well. Hold my hand behind it. But yeah, there it is. So the clip that's back here, you're gonna want to take that off, but hold on to it. Don't lose it, because you're gonna need that to lock it in. So what you do is you take these clips off. Hold on to them. I got one right here. Whenever you put this side on first, which goes up to the top, you put it on and then you put the clip in. There's little tiny holes that they go into, small holes that they go into if you purchase the same ones that I have. They go back into that little groove, so that way you can do it. But you want to do one side at a time. Both sides have to be done before the top. The top parts have to be done before you put the bottoms in on both sides, or else it's going to be hard if you're doing it by yourself, which I'm doing by myself right now. So you need an 8mm for down here. Take the middle bolt out for your fender. Take that bolt out from the middle, and you can go from there. As you can see, I have mine taken out, and then I don't think it's gonna go. It adjusts. You can adjust it to whatever settings you want it to, but I don't think it goes this high. I don't. I'm pretty sure it does, but I don't think so. But let's move on from that. Let's get the other side done and see how it looks. All right, guys. So after much changing and twisting and figuring things out, finally got it. So, as you guys can see, oh, wrong thing. Yeah. So, how I do it, like I said before, I'm gonna repeat it because I don't know when people joined in this video, but might not be the right way to do it. But like I said, if you have help, it would be easier. If you don't have help, there's a couple choice words you're gonna be saying, and yeah, if you get my drift. But key parts to remember: one, the pins. Do not lose the little plastic rivet, plastic pins, lock-in pins, whatever they're called. Don't lose those. Two. The hell is that? Okay. Two. These plates, you want to put them as far over as possible as you can, so that way it clears the fender. And you can adjust them in and out, like I said before, or tightness, or wherever you want the hood to lock in at, you can lock it there. This does come out all the way, so this piece will come out. What else? Pretty much, you want to make sure that you have this plate in properly. What I mean by that is, there's two sections. There's like a T, and then there's like a hole at the top, just a slit at the top. I have it on the slit at the top on both sides, and that allows less play, but you can shift it over and just enough to clear right here. Pretty sure it works for every Honda. I don't know about any other makes, but you want it to be, like I said, as much over as possible so it doesn't hit whenever you're closing the hood. You want to take the pins out first, put them on, then slide the pins in and over, lock it in just like you took them off, basically. So long story short, it's not that hard. It gets aggravating, yes, but it can be done. So that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments. If you guys want to know where I got these from, leave it in the comments also. I'll tell you, try to give you guys a link on it. I think it cost me like $70 to get the part. But yeah. Like, share, subscribe, follow your boy, share it with your family and friends. Try to get to 500 subscribers. I am on TikTok. It is the same as my Instagram, so you guys can follow me there also. I'll catch you guys later in another video. Peace.